prepare to enjoy the power and speed of the mythical Griffon.
Best job in the world, man. Told me I get to ride roller coasters for a living, I love it. I love this park so much. Oh my god. All the lights on. Would you look at that? Ready? I've never been front row before. 2, 1, here we go. Griffon at sunset is one of the most magical things you can ever experience. I love it. I love it. I love it.